In this tutorial, you will learn how to add a story to Instagram. But before we start, take a moment to subscribe to our channel and make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos. To share a photo or video to your story using the Instagram application, tap the camera in the top left of your screen or swipe right from anywhere in the feed. Tap the circle at the bottom of the screen to take a photo. Tap and hold it to record a video. To choose a photo from your phone's library or gallery, swipe up anywhere on the screen. Tap the stickers icon to add location, weather, and other information. Tap the text icon to add text or the paintbrush to draw. To remove a text or sticker, drag and drop it to the bottom of the screen. When you're ready to share, tap Your Story in the bottom left. Stories disappear from profile and feed after 24 hours, unless you add them to your profile as highlights. Go to your profile and tap Story Highlights below your username and bio. Tap the plus sign. Tap to select the story or stories you want to add to highlights, then tap Next. Choose a cover photo and enter a story name for your highlight. Then tap Add. You can add more photos or videos to your highlights at any time by tapping Edit Highlight. How often do you post stories on Instagram?